joining us, Kyle Keefe from Altitude Sports. And Kyle, the Avalanche come into this one with really great special teams on both sides. The penalty killing is second best in the league, and the power play is also top 10. What stands out to you about the power play?
Well, first of all, it's fun to watch. I mean, anytime that you put Nathan MacKinnon on the ice, it's worth the price of admission. They really know each other well. They've been playing together for years now, and I think in talking with Tyson Barrie this morning about the power play, he said, look, I feel like I'm spoiled rotten. You know, I get to sit up at the top of the blue line and just shove it over to Mikko Rantanen or find Nathan MacKinnon. And what MacKinnon does is scary, guys. Away from the puck, you just can't take your eyes off him. When he does have the puck, he creates so much confusion, and he can open up lanes. If it's Jost in the middle or it's Landeskog down behind the net, and even Mikko Rantanen, those cross-ice passes, he can throw some silky, smooth passes across. And Mikko, I believe right now, has been the primary assist man on all 6 of Nathan MacKinnon's goals. So they feed off each other. But the best problem is it's not the top unit. It's the second unit with Soderberg and Compher and Kerfoot that have been doing all kinds of damage. Colin Wilson, another guy. So it's about confidence. When these guys get the 5-on-4 chances, they usually bury them.
On the back end, we get that top pairing now with the veteran Erik Johnson and the younger player Samuel Girard. It's proving to be a pretty dynamic duo. Why are they such a good match?
Well, first of all, Erik Johnson is just a horse. I mean, he's been around the league for a long time. He's a leader inside the locker room. The boys love him. 6'4", 230 pounds. He's got the big shot from the blue line. He can skate well. He can pass. And then on the other side, you got Sam Girard, who came to the Avalanche through the Matt Duchene trade. And he's I don't know what word to use. He's one of the flashiest players that I've ever seen. He does this twirly bird move that I've seen some of the best skaters in the league fall flat on their face. Literally, I saw Drew Doughty fall twice and then get up and sort of laugh it off because Sam Girard has got this, you know, that twirly bird where he can shift and go one direction. The next time he's going another. He's good on the power play, and he allows EJ to have some freedom as well. So those two are like yin and yang. They just work together, a little bit of size, some speed, and it's really proven to be a weapon for Jared Bednar.
The old twirly bird, very dangerous when you can perform the twirly bird. Hey, how much of Colorado's secondary scoring, how much has that played a role in the success so far? That seems like it's been a factor.
Yeah, I mean, that was a huge storyline in the offseason was, you know, who's going to make up the difference from that big line of MacKinnon, Landeskog, and Rantanen. That's a line that combined for 243 points last year. Well, so far, so good. Colin Wilson, 3 goals. Soderberg, 3 goals. JT Compher, 3 goals. It's been fun to watch, and you know what? They've gotten 11 goals and 21 assists from the secondary scoring, and that's exactly what you need. The assists from the defenseman, 12 points from the blue line. So it's allowing, you know, the top line to get some breathers, to be on the bench a little bit more. And coaches on the road is certainly in Pepsi Center have a tough decision because it's not just one line that they have to worry about. Now you've got 2 and 3. So Tyson Jost has been a nice addition, second line centered. And like I mentioned, Carl Soderberg has been awesome. And when this team gets hot and confident, as we've seen, you know, through the first 5 games, really only 2 missteps, one in Columbus and one just the other night against Calgary. I look for a nice bounce back here tonight at MSG.
All right, Kyle. Rangers hosting the Avs tonight. Should be a good one there. Enjoy the game, Kyle. Thanks for your time.
Thanks, CJ.